With that, welcome back to MotoVation 3. Vlog up next. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a little bit different. I am in the car. It's because it's extremely hot right now. Got the windows up, AC blowing. Hopefully there's not a lot of wind noise, but if there is, sorry. Anyway, a little bit different today, guys. No real topic on anything bike related or car related. What I want to do today is just kind of introduce myself to you guys. I've told you before, I am from Alabama, northeast Alabama, out here in the country. Everybody thinks we're hillbillies and inbreds, but we're not. Anyway, my name is Jeff. Insert a meme here.
My name is Jeff.
But I won't give you my last name. Some of you already know it. Some of you guys are in my everyday interactions. You know, friends that I've had, you know, that have joined the crew, joined the subscribers. But yeah, and as you can see by this gray hair in my beard, I'm not a spring chicken, so I'm not the youngest of guys. I'm not old by any means, guys. Anyway, let's get that out there. But yeah, I started this vlogging because just something to do, you know, in my spare time. I don't have a lot of spare time. I'm just like everybody else. I work a full-time job. A more than full-time job. I work a lot of weekends. I barely have any time to do this. So anytime I do, I try and get on it. But yeah, I'm not trying to get rich quick off vlogging. I enjoy doing it. I didn't realize how hard it was until I picked up the camera and really tried to speak to you guys. You stumble over your words. Well, I do. Stumble over my words. Even in the translation or the subtitles, the closed caption, I should say. The closed caption is funny because it just, I think it's making up words, or I'm making up words, one, as I speak. But yeah, that's me, guys. I'm a motorcycle enthusiast. I love motorcycles. When I was younger, my stepdad bought me a Honda XR80, a little 4-stroke, little dirt bike. And I was in love ever since. I wrecked that thing constantly. Never really ever got hurt on it. I guess that's why I never got scared of them. But yeah, I've been hooked on motorcycles since. It's the same way with muscle cars or pony cars. When I was able, you know, I bought me a Camaro, and I just thought it was the baddest thing in the world back then. Nothing to compare to what I'm driving now. The Camaros of today are, okay, it's not in the same car, you know, not in the same class. But yeah, I love sports cars. I want an exotic sports car one day. I don't know if I want the exotic headache of a exotic sports car, but you know, I want to be there one day. You know, be to that status. You know, but I got a long way to go. But yeah, guys, give me some interaction in there. Tell me about yourself too. You know, like, I hope y'all guys enjoy these videos and keep coming back. I want to be on YouTube for a long time. I enjoy doing it. It's fun. And maybe one day you'll see me up there with Mondi or DDE or something like that. You know, that's pipe dreaming, right? Ain't that what they call it? But you know, it could happen, you know. But anyway, guys, that's all I really wanted to share with you guys today. Just put this little short vlog out here to basically, you know, introduce myself. you know. So I think I did it. Anyway, if there's anything you want to know about me, guys, feel free to comment down there in the comment section. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You know, keep coming back. I'd like to keep you engaged. You know. But anyway, till then, guys, y'all have a nice day. Peace.
Yeah, we are in the place to be. Yeah.